Here we have the interior of the Commodore. As you can see, completely original stereo, everything in perfect condition, all the seats, no rips, nothing like that. Just have a look at the seats. It's being very, very looked after. As you can see, factory sunroof. Very hard combination to get with this car. First of all, black, which is a rare colour in the Commodores. Factory sunroof, 19-inch wheels. You've got a very good combination here. Very classy looking car. Always garaged. Parked on carpet as well. Okay, the car's been sitting here for about a week now. I'm just going to do a cold start.